Do you love churros? Do you love ice cream? Why don't we just... Yes, today we are making churro ice cream sandwiches. It's only natural to take ice cream and sandwich it between churros. We're using a basic churro recipe, but we're going to pipe it into like a cookie. And we're also making an eggless, no churn ice cream flavored with Mexican chocolate and dulce de leche. Come on, let's get into it. Let's start the flavor base for our ice cream by adding a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to a bowl, as well as 4 ounces of Mexican chocolate. Product link is in the description, and 6 ounces of dulce de leche. If you can't find an already prepared dulce de leche, then check out the link above on how to make your own. Microwave this mixture for 1 minute and stir to combine. Switching to a whisk to make it nice and smooth. We're going to make an eggless, no churn ice cream, so in a large bowl we're adding 2 cups of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix on low speed, then turn up to high until you reach stiff peaks. Now add the chocolate dulce de leche flavor base and whip to incorporate. Place ice cream mix into a freezer-safe bowl. We're decorating this ice cream with some additional dulce de leche, creating a web pattern. Wrap tightly and freeze for 24 hours. So now we're ready to make our churro cookies. In a medium sauce pot, bring to a boil 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix to combine. Once combined, stir vigorously for a few minutes as the dough continues to cook. Turn off the heat and allow mixture to cool. Then add 2 eggs, 1 at a time, thoroughly mixing before adding the next. Your dough should look like this. Prepare a piping bag with a star tip. And begin filling the bag with the churro mixture. Careful not to overfill. Pipe 3-inch circles on a sheet tray with parchment or wax paper. Starting from the inside, working your way out. This recipe makes 3 ice cream sandwiches, but you can double the recipe if you want more. Place churro cookies in the freezer while you heat up your oil. Once the oil reaches 375 degrees, add the churro cookies and fry until light golden brown. Then dip them in cinnamon sugar. Now take one churro for the bottom half of your sandwich and add a scoop or two of the chocolate dulce de leche ice cream. Top with the other churro and voila! A churro ice cream sandwich. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and share, and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.